How to invest in real estate without a lot of money, smart strategies for beginners. Investing in real estate without a lot of money may sound impossible, but it's more achievable than you think. At our channel MTECHD, we believe anyone can start building wealth through real estate, even with limited resources. Today, we'll explore creative strategies to help you get started in the property market without breaking the bank. Here's a question for you. Have you ever considered real estate investing but felt held back by financial constraints? Let us know in the comments. The first strategy is house hacking. This involves purchasing a multifamily property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. The rental income can cover your mortgage and even generate a profit. With FHA loans, you can get started with as little as 3.5% down, making it one of the most affordable entry points into real estate. What are your thoughts on this approach? Would you try house hacking? Another option is wholesaling, where you find undervalued properties, put them under contract, and sell the contract to a buyer for a fee. This strategy doesn't require you to purchase the property, making it a low-cost way to profit from real estate deals. Have you ever heard of wholesaling before? Let us know in the comments. If you're looking to invest passively, consider real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property by buying shares in companies that manage real estate portfolios. It's a great way to earn dividends and diversify your investments without needing a large capital outlay. Are you already investing in REITs, or are you considering it? Crowdfunding platforms are another excellent option for small-scale investors. These platforms let you pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. In return, you receive a share of the profits. Many platforms have low minimum investment requirements, making them accessible to almost anyone. What's your take on crowdfunding? Have you tried it yet? Partnerships can also help you break into the real estate market. Partnering with friends, family, or other investors allows you to pool resources and share responsibilities. You can contribute time, skills, or a smaller portion of the capital while benefiting from property ownership. Who would you partner with to invest in real estate? Another creative approach is seller financing, where the seller acts as the lender, allowing you to purchase property without traditional bank loans. This arrangement can be negotiated to require little or no down payment, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious investors. Does seller financing sound like a strategy you'd use? Finally, consider learning the ropes through a mentor or real estate network. Experienced investors can guide you toward the right deals and strategies while helping you avoid costly mistakes. Joining local real estate groups or online forums can also provide valuable insights and connections. Do you know someone who could mentor you in real estate? Real estate investing doesn't have to be exclusive to those with deep pockets. By thinking creatively and utilizing these strategies, you can start building wealth through property today. Which of these approaches interests you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel MTECHD, and explore our channel for more financial and investment tips. Let's achieve your real estate goals together.